and it's a novel obsession that we are going to have the ultimate contribution to both our nations, America and India. I kept on saying, I keep on saying, till we are done, and still further, till eternity, right? America, India, the two greatest economies the world has ever seen, right? America, India are the greatest democracies the world has ever seen. Functioning democracy, thriving democracy, and for them to make it ultimately the most developed nations and most developed economies in the world is our obsession, my obsession personally as well. That's what we have put all our resources, the entire gamut of our funding capabilities, criteria, and teamwork, trustees, bankers, legal team, management team, everyone in it together, loving it forever, right? So we have done it. So my obsession is that it's a mandatory. I'm going to make it. America is, as I told you, is our family. My family is, you told, right? Brantham and me, I'm there already there as my family only, right? You saw, everything is there and all under the God's blessing, right? So there is some reason. So we are going to make it. America, the topmost, the economies at the moment will be the topmost forever, with India there on topmost. We are going to make it together, and it is destined to do. We are in a position to do that. So let's unite together, let's work together coherently, energetically, positively, and conclusively. Very important, right? Very conclusive. There should be clarity in the mind and perception. In your heart, the beat should be for India. There's no, right? So I am here only just contributing to the India's cause, so that India, it leads to the predestined status, the land of golden goose, right? So we will make it. We will make it happen. You take this our offer, we will see where we stand. I told you 77 trillion. It is the screen fund. It's not a joke. It's a crystal clear funds, verified funds. Your own RBI official or RBI officer, your own State Bank of India officers, more than 12 to 15 times they have checked in our account interbank screen. Now, if you check in these officers, I have all the names, everyone, which time, where, when they logged into the system, interbank screen, and checked, right? Checked our funds, source of fund, the application of fund, history of funds, everything checked. Still there, right? So it just depends what capacity you have, how much funds you can support your projects, national infrastructure projects you have. That's what we are looking at, a contribution to the nation only. So as a nation, collectively, nation as well as the states, whatever collective projects you have declared, approved by the relevant authorities in India, ably supported by Reserve Bank of India, we need that letter. We need the complete synopsis of those projects. Now, as we recollect, do you have 103 lakh crore funds? The 103 lakh the infrastructure pipeline, national infrastructure pipeline. We are able to fund it entirely under grant, irrevocable, right? Non-recourse, non-refundable. We can structure out. We have to trade program. We have a certain leverage of the debts instrument. We make it, and we make a tailor-made structure program for you. This will be under that program. We can structure the whole funding under the grant, right? So that the government of India doesn't have any obligation to return back the funds to us. That's what it meant. Earlier, you needed to have the sovereign guarantee give to us. There is some collateral required, right? There's absolutely no collateral. We are not asking for any collateral from government of India, neither State Bank of India nor RBI India. So what else? It's just in the platter for you to take for the nation's cause. On premise, I just say the personal level, it was ridiculous for me to understand for the last 4 years, just keep quiet and just hovering around everything. When we know this is a cash thing, it's absolutely, for me, it's like you can uncalled for, you can say for me, it is totally uncalled for as a Prime Minister, right? 4 years what you have done just to keep off yourself, not communicating with us, with me. It's just joke. It's basically a joke, right? And we are talking about the cash under grant, and you are offering everybody okay, it's your decision. But the thing is, ultimately, see, whatever God does, God has a reason. Now you have been pulled together, you're squeezed into one place. I see your tweet today, desperate. It's desperado to the pinnacle. Yeah, once the pride of being Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, आज क्या हो गया? What happened today? all under the God's will, right? So, हमें हमेशा whenever we got opportunity, we have to capitalize. We kept on so many money, resources, millions of dollars. यार अपना GD Foundation we spent and put it there in our the very regulatory body to hold these funds for. I kept on saying, you totally neglected. कोई पैसा मांग रहा है यार, हम फाइन मांग रहे हैं क्या, कोई फाइन लगा रहा है क्या, कोई लीगल नोटिस है, कुछ नहीं, अभी भी एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं. जस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल as a national, as a you are prime minister of a developing nation. Now desperate is sufferings all around India, right? So this one we have to just cater, just think responsibly, have a very for fortitude, right, and focus, motivation, attention, and absorb it. Don't just somebody says something like just overlook it or purposely deviate. Will not have. So as I told you, this our obsession is the mandatory contribution, no matter what. Whoever stays there, whoever not stays there, immaterial to us. This fund from Global Trade Foundation will go to the benefit of India at large for people 130 crore. Just the mandatory comes for Almighty God, right? As I told you, it is. So I will just too happy. Our Global Trade Foundation will be just too happy. It comes to you under your Prime Minister, say under your Council of Ministers. That's what it is. We were working. So bygones are bygones. Let's be positive, and stay blessed at all times, right? Then you take your time off, you consult your ministries, and come back to us with a formal invitation. The template we have given to everything is there in your Prime Minister's office, Finance Minister of you. You want one more time? I can send to you. We just need that template invitation letter to us. Then later on, once we are there, we discuss and we get the specific bank commitment from the State Bank of India to download the relevant funds, right? So that's what we are asking. Nothing, and no collateral, nothing. What else you are? I told you, you don't have to think about. You are not a banker, right? So you don't have to think. I am telling you, I have the reason. I have the report card of 12 to 15 times. Your State Bank of India, Reserve Bank, I have seen and verified seen and checked our fund, source of fund, application on fund, and the history of funds. They are there, interbank screen. What else you require? That's the most important. Is that every clause, every money laundering, every authority thing, we are crystal clear. Everything clean and clear funds, verified funds are there, interbank screen, and your officers are checked through. For the last 4 years, we are waiting for this. Just political establishment doesn't have the conviction nor clarity nor knowledge. But advisory board, whoever is advisory board, that they have done a pathetic job to say the least. I'm still, if I meet you in person, tell you face to face, 4 साल का काम आसान, ठीक है, ये ठीक नहीं है हमारे देश के लिए. ये हमारा देश बहुत बड़ा विकसित देश नहीं है अभी तक, ठीक है ना. और ये एटीट्यूड बहुत खराब. दिस एटीट्यूड हैव टू स्टॉप. ओके, वट एवर सेड, bygones are bygones, right? We have learned. We are, as you said, right? Today, all your tweets, you yourself know. Until now, you are tweeting. We have learned from lessons. Please do that. Please do that as a Prime Minister. Please, it's not a question of Gujarat earthquake. So many earthquakes will come and go. We not. It's just one of the stepping stone lessons. 4 years, you also learn lesson that 4 years you have avoided purposely Global Trade Foundation. This is a punishment.